In this video, we are going to learn about the WhatsApp number filter by using the bulk WhatsApp sender software. First, we open the bulk WhatsApp sender software and next go to the tools menu. WhatsApp number filter. We use this tool to verify the what other mobile number it contains a WhatsApp account or not. Let us see the process. First, we click on the Start Now button. Next, upload your Excel file which contains the number along with the country code. Next, here set your delay settings. It is very important to avoid the WhatsApp account ban issue. And then next click on the Click to Initiate button. Here Chrome is open automatic and scan your WhatsApp app by using the QR code. Next, come back to the bulk WhatsApp sender software. Next, click on the Start Checking. It will start the checking process. Once it completes, you can save the report as an Excel file in your system. It takes some time. Still process is going on. Process is completed. You can save the report as an Excel file. Here choose your required location and save your document. Click on the Save button. File downloaded successfully.